Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add transitions to your videos using Clipchamp. Let us import 3 clips. In our case it is clip 1, clip 2, and clip 3. Put them on timeline. Once we play the track, you might have noticed that when one clip just ends and the next one begins, very suddenly, it can feel a bit rough or abrupt. That's where transitions come in. Transitions are visual effects that help blend one clip into the next more smoothly. Let's walk through how to do it. To start, make sure you have at least 2 different video clips sitting next to each other on the timeline. Transitions only work between clips, not before or after them. Also, there shouldn't be any gaps between the clips. If there's an empty space, the transition won't apply, so always make sure your clips are touching. There are 2 simple ways to add transitions in Clipchamp. The first way is by using the Transitions tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click that, and you'll see a panel open up showing all the available transition effects. You can scroll through and preview them. When you find one you like, just drag and drop it right between the 2 clips on your timeline. That's it, your transition is now in place. One quick thing to keep in mind, if you split a single clip into 2 parts and try to place a transition between them, Clipchamp may not allow it. That's because the software still sees it as one continuous piece of footage. To test this, try splitting a clip and then dragging a transition between the sections. You'll notice it won't apply. Now, the second way to add transitions is actually my favorite, and it's a bit quicker too. Just hover your mouse between 2 clips on the timeline. If you're zoomed in enough, you'll see a small Add Transition button appear right in between them. If you don't see it, try zooming in a little using the plus symbol button in the lower right corner of the timeline. Once that button appears, click it. A list of transitions will pop up on the right side of your screen. Just click on the one you want, and Clipchamp will apply it instantly. From here, you can also adjust how long the transition lasts. By default, they're pretty short, but you can make them longer if you want a more dramatic effect. As you adjust the duration, a highlight will appear on both clips, showing how much of each is being blended into the transition. You can fine-tune this anytime by clicking on the transition itself and dragging the ends. And if you ever want to remove a transition, just right-click on it and choose Delete. Now, let's also talk about fades, which are a little different from transitions. Fades are perfect for gently starting or ending a video. To add a fade, click on the clip you want to fade in or out. Then head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Fade button. You'll be able to set the fade duration up to 2 seconds for either the beginning, the end, or both. This works especially well on the final clip in your project, so it doesn't just cut off at the end. And that's it, now you know how to add both transitions and fades in Clipchamp. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.